Today is kind of a bittersweet day. Angel, Cocoa Puffs, and Reese's went to a new farm. Well, if you don't like coming out here, then go back to the house. Quit yelling at me. Hey, Ranger. Anyway, I sold them yesterday. My friend here that I'm on her property, she says I have too many goats. So I sold 3. Luckily, I was able to sell to someone who is going to use them for breeding purposes. The reason why I crossed the Nubian with the Kiko, hey PT, that's my New Zealand Kiko buck, as I'm trying to create a hardier, low maintenance, dual purpose milk and meat goat. Some people, you know, your dairies, well, your dairies have a dairy look. And the thing about New Zealand Kikos is, in the making of that particular breed, they did use dairy goats to increase the milk production for the babies, so the babies would have so babies would have plenty of milk to grow quickly on. And I mean, years and years that they developed that breed in New Zealand. So when you get a Kiko goat here in America, the closer you are to the New Zealand background, the better. They're extremely hardy goats, very low maintenance. My buck there, PT, I've had for going on 6 years now. I've never had to trim his hooves, ever. And I have never had to deworm him either. So, oh, yeah, Miss Caramel is going season late. So, there they go. Anyway, so yeah, letting them out, the goats out today, even though it's like 27 degrees. I try to free range them for at least an hour a day. Keeps down on the hay and such. I'm like, oh, I'm missing 3. But I'm happy that they went to a place where they're going to be used for breeding, because the person that I sold them to has the same concept as I do, wanting a hardy, low maintenance milk and meat goat. So I have several yearlings. Once they freshen out, when they kid, and see who is most willing to get on the milking stand and which ones I have to fight. Because at my age, I don't need to be fighting a goat on the milking stand. Like Faith there, she's the one in the middle. Her first freshening was last kidding season, and she got right up on the milk stand and let me milk her out. She was awesome, totally great. I have a Nubian, full-blooded Nubian, that still fights me, but she produces twins, triplets. She's a great mother. She just doesn't like to be milked. So her babies, though, have been fine. Hey, Pebbles. Hey, the babies. That's Freya and Thor. Thor is for sale. That's his mama. And PT is the daddy. So it's half Nubian, half Kiko. Yep. And then I have Odin and Sable. They're on the far side up there. You can't see them. Anyway, so bittersweet day. It's missing 3 goats. It was really weird letting them out. And my goat pack is a little shorter than it usually is. But I am going to go tuck my hands in my pockets because it is cold. But I am thankful it is not raining. Oh, so thankful it's not raining. The mud is frozen, but better to walk on top of the mud than sink down in the mud. That's my philosophy. Wait a minute. Let's see. Yep. So I have some yearlings that are going to kid out, and that'll be their first freshening. That's what that means. See how udders look. I'm expecting really good results out of my yearling crop. So, and so I may have some up for sale, some more babies up for sale, probably March, April. Anyway, ta-ta from Kentucky. Love y'all. Sorry it's been so long since the last video. And I think I'm going to do a live stream here soon. Just explain why I'm probably going to go off, off channel, or won't be posting for a while. I got surgery coming up, things like that. So, love y'all. Bye.